Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Nintendo Parental Control app. So let's get started. So here I will just open my Google search bar and search for the app Nintendo Switch Parental Control app. And here I can see the app. Okay. So from here you have to go here. Then you can directly see for the app. Okay. So here you can see, so here you have to click on the install button. It will automatically download and install the app in device. Then you can connect the device to your Nintendo Switch, and you can scroll down and also see the ratings of the other parents as well from here. And this is how to download and install the Nintendo Switch Parental Control app. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.